ACC Driving School has been serving Broward County, Florida for the last 33 years. We offer all of the traffic ticket classes. The 4, the 8, the 12-hour classes are available. The new 6-hour class that is required by the state of Florida for kids under 18. We have the 4-hour class for people over 18. We offer the third-party driving tests if you cannot find an appointment at the DMV. The number to call for the third-party driving test or actual driving lessons, 954-588-8075. Again, that is 954-588-8075. The website for the traffic ticket classes is accdriverseducation.com. Again, that is accdriverseducation.com. And we're ACC Driving School. We offer whatever service you need as it relates to driving lessons, driving tests. We offer all of those services, serving Broward County for more than 33 years.